Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is another decluttering video. This is a basket that just got stuffed with things over the holidays while we are cleaning up for a Christmas party. And this part of my home sometimes becomes a dumping ground because of just location, and so things that we don't know what to do with goes in a basket into a corner here. So during this decluttering video, I'm just going to answer questions that absolutely nobody has asked, but hey, you may want to know. Question 1, do I prefer mornings or evenings, and why? I definitely prefer mornings just because I'm just a morning person. My brain functions better. I'm up early. By 3 p.m., I'm starting to decline in terms of mental capacity. So I definitely prefer mornings. It is so great to be up early and start your day. If I could live anywhere in the world, it probably would be in Jamaica, but in the hills of Jamaica, in a airy home. I would have to have a driver because I really don't like to drive, and I think I would, definitely be Jamaica, but be able to travel to many other countries. One thing that people may not know about me is I'm also a crafter. I'm not the best at crafting, but I am learning and definitely getting better every day. Do what you love. If you love to craft, you love to sew, if you love to write, just do what you love. So something that people may not know is that I love to create things. My go-to comfort food would be, it depends. It's either I'm in the mood for something sweet or something salty, so it all depends. I don't have a real comfort food. I just feel like what I feel like at the time. Something that I've always wanted to learn is how to play the guitar. I wanted to learn from many years ago. We actually have a guitar, but I haven't taught myself yet. But I definitely would love to learn how to play the guitar. Do I believe in ghosts? I definitely believe in ghosts, and that's just through things that have happened. So I do believe in the supernatural. I do believe in ghosts, and that's because I've experienced things that have made me believe in them. I do believe in that. What is my favorite type of music? My favorite type of music would be any. If the music is good, if the song is good, I will like it. I just have to hear it and feel it and love it. I mostly listen to R&B and reggae. But any music. If the song sounds good to me, then I love it. The last show that I binge watched was Love is Blind. I forget what season. I think it was season 8. And I hate that they break it down into, so many weeks because you have to wait for a few episodes to upload. So I just wait for it all. So the last thing that I binge watched was Love is Blind US. Some other things that you may not know about me is I am a mom of 2. My girls are mid-20s, and I live in Canada, but I am originally born in the Bahamas, but I was raised in Canada. I'm of Jamaican parents, but I'm Canadian because I lived here the majority of my life. I want to say all of my life because I came here as a baby. I also love to travel. I would want to travel to many, many more countries, and I hope to do so soon. My top countries would be Ghana and Nigeria, just because it is known that the Africans of Ghana came to Jamaica many, many, many years ago. So Africa definitely is on my list to travel to. I've also never been to England. I also want to go to Spain, Italy. I'm not sure. Greece, definitely Greece, because I watched the Traveling Pants, and there was a few scenes in Greece. So I definitely would love to travel there. There's many, many more places that I would love to travel. So that is it for this one. I hope you like this type of video and enjoyed my messy decluttering video. I did get it done. I also kept a lot of stuff. I realized that a lot of the stuff was in the basket because we just didn't put it where it was supposed to go. But definitely we kept some bins that, because I'm still decluttering, I may be able to use. There's some extension cords that I definitely needed in my bedroom. So this was just a decluttering that didn't take much time because it just had to be, many of the stuff just had to be put in other places. So once again, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for supporting my channel. If there's anything else that you would like to know about me, please leave me a comment or send me a message, and I'll definitely do another one like this. This one was fun to answer some questions that absolutely nobody has asked for, but hey, you definitely may want to have known that. And I will see you in the next one. So thanks again, everybody. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Bye. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video to anyone who you think may like it. This we're just putting aside. Now